Hey YouTube, what's up? Sierra here with DIY Dwight, and today is a beautiful Saturday morning, and I am going to do something really quick and easy. So out in Matt and I's Zero Escape patio, we bought some pretty cheap furniture that really hasn't lasted that long, and we're having some friends over tonight to watch a movie in the backyard. So I'm gonna build a bench for us to sit on out of some scrap wood in the garage. So let's check out what I have here down below. So we had a 2x10 here that Matt helped me rip down the middle. We have this nice piece of wood that I found in the back of our truck, and then we had some scrap pieces that I squared off to make 4 legs. Let's see what we can do. So I decided to make this bench 4 foot long because right now the cheap patio furniture we have out there is a little bit too short and only one person can really fit comfortably. I'll show you guys in a minute. We're gonna make this cut. Perfect. 8-foot board cut in half. So this is the patio bench we use right now. I don't recommend buying cheap patio furniture. We were in a pinch last year and picked it up for like $100 with the chairs and the tables too. And that's what I'm going to be replacing today. So now I'm going to measure how wide I want it to be. Okay, so we're going to make it 19 inches deep. And let's go. Now that we have the back and the front, we need to cut the sides. So I found some scrap pieces of 2x4, and since we decided on 19 inches, I think we're going to be able to get 19 inches out of a couple of these scraps. And I would also like to point out, before I fall over, that this wood has my name on it. Sierra Premium, meant to be. Cool, now it's all laid out, so we're going to start screwing it together. Pretty good. That is level, ladies and gentlemen. Check it out. Okay, we got the legs and the side supports all done, so the assembly is complete, and now we're just going to put the seat on. Very good, very good. Matt and I are collecting all the scrap wood from the back of the truck to see if we have enough, because at the moment it looks like we might not have enough for a seat. I went ahead and cut all the scraps I could find 19 inches and managed to find just enough. Now I have all the seat boards cut and placed. So all I have left to do is secure them. Next, I sanded the bench with 100, 150, and 240 grit sandpaper. What do you think?
I think it's a bench.
Pretty good looking bench, huh?
Yeah, it's not bad.
Excuse me? This is what I get, y'all. This is the support that I get, you know, for being a little bit creative on a Saturday morning. Not gonna happen. Not today. The last thing to do is stain and polyurethane the bench. So I picked Special Walnut as the color choice because we have a drawer full of fun colors and I really wanted to use this one. And as for the polyurethane, we had a lot of that left over from some old projects, so I picked the oldest container I could find, and to be honest, I don't believe this is the proper way to apply it, so maybe don't copy me here, but I just wanted to use the rest of this and it got the job done. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video today as much as Hobbs did. If you guys have extra wood laying around, you should throw together a bench of your own. If you want to see more videos like this or you liked this one, hit the like button, and why not hit the subscribe button while you're at it. And until next time, Matt and I will see you later.